Ever wondered why there's a love-hate relationship between real estate agents and Zillow? Let's dive into why many realtors harbor strong feelings about this real estate giant. Firstly, the accuracy of Zillow's Zestimate is a major pain point. These automated home valuations can be wildly inaccurate, leading to unrealistic expectations from buyers and sellers. This forces agents to spend extra time educating clients and managing their expectations. Next up, lead quality. While Zillow generates leads for agents, these are often seen as low quality or tire kickers. Agents pay for these leads, hoping for serious buyers, but often find themselves sifting through unqualified prospects. Data transparency is another concern. Zillow aggregates massive amounts of real estate data, potentially giving them an advantage over individual agents who rely on local market knowledge. Some agents feel this levels the playing field unfairly. Finally, Zillow's business model can be seen as competing with agents by providing a platform for buying and selling homes directly. They threaten to disintermediate traditional real estate professionals. So, is Zillow a friend or foe to realtors? The answer is complex, but understanding these grievances sheds light on the ongoing tension between the old and new ways of real estate.